Welcome to the history of cinemas and drive-ins for Chicago and Cook County for 1990 to 1999. 1990. The Loew's Esquire 6 reopened on February 2nd. General Cinema opens the Ford City 14 on August 10th and the older cinemas closed. The Cineplex Odeon North Riverside 6 opened on November 6th. Here are the changes for 1990. These cinemas closed in 1990. (1991). The Loew's Piper's Alley 4 opened on May 24th. Cineplex Odeon opens the 1 Schaumburg Place Cinemas 9 in Schaumburg on November 22nd. Here are the changes for 1991. These cinemas closed in 1991. 1992. The Western Heights Cinemas add screens 5 to 8 in Chicago Heights. The Cineplex Odeon Forest Park Mall 3 in Forest Park closes after a fight in the lobby killing 1 teenager during the showing of Colors. (1993). Loew's becomes SONY Theaters. The Loew's Rolling Meadows 9 in Rolling Meadows opened on December 10th. Here are the changes for 1993. These theaters closed in 1993. 1994. The SONY Crestwood 12 in Crestwood opened on May 27th. The SONY Streamwood 14 in Streamwood opened on December 16th. The Cineplex Odeon Old Orchard Gardens 6 in Skokie opened on December 16th. In October, the Cineplex Odeon Edens 2 in Northbrook closes. 1995. The Navy Pier IMAX Theater opens on September 1st and managed by Cineplex Odeon. Marcus Theaters opens the Orland Park 10 in Orland Park on November 17th. Classic Theaters adds screens 5, 6, and 7 to the Lake Theater in Oak Park. These theaters closed in 1995. 1996. Marcus Theaters opens the Addison 20 in Addison on November 15th. General Cinema opens the Randhurst 16 in Mount Prospect on November 22nd. General Cinema opens the Northbrook 14 in Northbrook on November 22nd. The Cineplex Odeon 600 North Michigan 9 opened on December 6th. Here are the changes for 1996. 1997. On November 26, Cineplex Odeon and Inner-City Entertainment opens the 62 and Western 10, the Chatham 14 and the Lawndale 10. Cineplex Odeon Quarry 14 in Hodgkins opens on December 19 as the last two Cineplex Odeon to be built in the USA. The other is in suburban New York City. These theaters closed in 1997. 1998. Cineplex Odeon and Loews merged to become Loews Cineplex Entertainment. The AMC South Barrington with 30 screens opens on March 20th. Here are the changes for 1998. 1999. The Cinemark Melrose Park 10 opened on February 26th. The Loews Streets of Woodfield 20 opened on December 10th. General Cinema opens the City North 14 on December 17th. The Arlington 6 in Arlington Heights opened on December 17th. Loews Cineplex sells these cinemas to Meridian Theaters. The SONY Crestwood adds screens 13 to 18. These theaters closed in 1999. Thanks for watching and remember to like and subscribe.